Hello all, in this video I will walk you through installing update to vCenter 6.7 and ESXi 6.7. Download the vCenter update ISO file from VMware site and attach to the vCenter VM. Once it's done, take the Appliance Management Console. Click on Update, then run pre-upgrade check. Once it succeed, click on Update and install. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Please make sure that you have taken the backup of your current vCenter server. Check the box and click on Finish. Installation will take some time to finish. On the summary page you can see that vCenter has been upgraded. Confirm it with build number. For upgrading ESXi, put the first ESXi in maintenance mode. Please take the Update Manager and upload the ESXi patch which was downloaded from VMware site. Select the ESXi host which was taken in maintenance mode, click on Update and select the ESXi patch. Then click on Remediate. It's a small time-consuming process. If you take the console of your ESXi, you can see the status. Once it's completed, check the build number which is displayed on the top. Like this, we can do EXI upgrade of rest the host also. Thanks for watching. If you think that this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.